Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this right here, the ordinary marine hyaluronics. So basically I wanted to replace my hyaluronic acid, and then when I went to the ordinary website I saw this, the marine hyaluronics, and I was like, ooh, what one is this? It got me a bit curious, and I dug in a little bit to find out all about this to see if I should try it. The main function of hyaluronic acid is to like draw moisture into the skin, basically from the atmosphere, or just to trap moisture. And then yeah, hyaluronic acid is known to be a humectant. It can hold moisture, it can hold water up to like 1,000 times of its own weight. So hyaluronic acid is basically has everything to do with hydration, moisture. The reason why it's the marine hyaluronics is because it's got most of its ingredients from the marine, which is like the Hawaiian algae, then the blue-green algae. And then what algae do to the skin is that it helps to rejuvenate and then tone the skin. It has a lot of health benefits because algae is mainly composed of protein which has amino acids, and then this also has like amino acids that have a lot of health benefits. The concentration of active ingredients is a whole 25%, so this is a very potent hyaluronic acid. The marine hyaluronics is about, I think I got it for £6, and I got mine on ASOS, and I just checked right now, I saw it's out of stock. The way ordinary products go out of stock is just insane. It's oil free, it's fragrance free. There's a bit of difference between this one and then the other hyaluronic acid, because the reason why I purchased this one is because I had nearly run out of the other one, and I didn't want to. Did I even find the other hyaluronic? I don't even remember, but I was quite curious and I was quite excited to try this out because of the good, like the ingredients I saw in it. And then I've used it for about let's say almost 2 weeks. I got it 2 weeks ago, so I've used it for like a week plus. Yeah, I've seen like it's basically good at the end of the day. I like how my skin feels. If you'd like to know what I think about this, because I'm going to be doing a comparison, I'm going to be comparing this one to the other one, the regular hyaluronic acid. So this is super lightweight. You can layer this with other serums. It doesn't conflict with most skincare products, and then like I said, the super lightweight, it absorbs really quickly into the skin as opposed to the other one. The other one is the hyaluronic 2% plus B5. That one is quite viscous, it's thicker in consistency, but this one is lightweight. I'll show you the consistency of my hand, and then I would use the two products on my face, and then yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think about this. And we'll start with this one first. Can you see how runny that one is? Can you see? It's super runny. And I'll just grab the other one and show you the difference. So with this one, can you see? This is really thick. Can you see? It's not as runny as the other one. So I'm just going to massage it. I'm just going to massage both of them. I think I used a lot. Can you see this one isn't totally absorbing as fast as this one is? So that's one of the major difference besides the ingredients in both of them. The hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, that one I know it peels under. Yeah, when you layer it with some products, and then when you wear it with makeup, it peels, and that can be quite annoying. I'm going to apply both of them on my face. So I'm going to apply one on this side and then apply the other one on the other side. I'm not going to, oops, I don't want you to. It's almost as light as water. I'm done applying both, and then on this side I have the marine hyaluronics, and then on this side I have the regular hyaluronic acid on my skin. And then looking at looking at my face, the two sides of my face, on this side, which has the regular hyaluronic acid, not the marine one, the regular hyaluronic acid is a bit shinier, has more glow to it than this side where I have the lightweight marine hyaluronics. But to be honest, my skin feels just the same. Both of them do the same thing. My face feels super hydrated when I use it. The main difference now that I'll point out is that the hyaluronic acid 2% is thicker in consistency, is more viscous, whereas the marine hyaluronics is lighter in consistency. It absorbs faster into the skin. It has 25% active ingredients in it, whereas the other one is like about 2%, if I'm right. Then it has marine derivatives in it. Both of them can be used morning and night, and then both of them can be paired with other skincare products. If I were to pick, which one would I pick? So let me put it this way, maybe it's like during the summertime I would go with the marine hyaluronics, whereas when it's the winter time, when it's really cold and the weather is very dry, I will go for the hyaluronic acid 2%. They're both humectants, so they absorb moisture from the atmosphere into the skin. If I were made to choose one, I would choose the marine hyaluronics, just because it has I think in my opinion it has more goodness to it, the amino acids that are, that help the skin. I just like it. And then the other one, to be honest, both of them are the same thing. So that has to be for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, let me know in the comment section below if you have tried the marine hyaluronics or even the hyaluronic acid 2%. Let me know in the comment section below. And then if there are any other kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel, don't hesitate to let me know as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.